Hello and thank you for watching. This is a video about our new and upcoming MNC1800 series routers, 1800 and 1850. 1800 is without cellular, 1850 has SIM slots with cellular. Some highlights are that it's 2.405 gigahertz access points built in, 802.11ax Wi-Fi now on the access points, which is faster than previous routers. We also have 5G cellular for the SIM slots for the internet. There's further highlights and features that are in this brochure that you can get. So let's get right into the router interface. This is the device status page. It shows your LAN ports, which are currently labeled LAN, guest LAN, main LAN, and your WAN ports, which are internet ports. The two middle ones are Starlink and Wave Wifi. You can also look at, by clicking on Manage, your full Wi-Fi receiver is connected, and see what it's connected to, or connect to things if you need to. Anyway, we have several modes that we can operate in with this router. Automatic mode we're in now. That is the failover mode, where Auto 1, Auto 2, and Auto 3 come into play. If this one goes down, it fails over to that one, and by continuation onto Auto 3, and they will fail back if they come back up in that order. Manual mode is when you just click on a port and select it to be the internet source, and that's the only internet source. There is also load balancing mode, which we'll go into here in a minute. Another thing that we have, which is turned on already on this router, is a dedicated internet source. That's where a single device could be on a dedicated internet source, user, or a device, if it's an IoT device or that kind of thing. We are going to switch into load balancing mode and see what that does. In the upper right, you see we get 3 WANs. That's 3 internet sources. 3 of them are up. They all turned like a pinkish red color. That indicates they're in the load balancing sequence. We should also get shortly, over here close to where it says reset, the balance ratio percentage for them. While that's coming up, we'll have a look at, we have user access, where we can have login codes and limit users' bandwidth and stuff like that. If we use login codes, we have the dedicated internet source, which was done with the iPhone already on Mobile Data 1, and other things that can be managed from within here. Settings has a lot of features like port forwarding. Our network settings is there, static routes, and miscellaneous, where a lot of stuff gets turned on, where you can reboot your router, upgrade firmware, etc., etc. It's a very configurable, very manageable product. We did pre-set up and do some speed tests, since it takes a while to do that. So here's some examples in load balancing mode, by the way. Speed tests that were done in advance. 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay. So that's a brief overview of the MNC1800 series router. Thank you for watching.